The song's called Blueberry Faygo.
Oh, I love that song. That was so good!
I am glad you liked it. Thank you so much.
That was amazing.
Thank you so much, Furry.
Favorite song?
Well, since we're both into gaming, I'll just play you one of my favorite video game themes of all time.
So good though. I wasn't expecting it to be that good. Thank you. That's amazing.
Thank you so
You're
much.
amazing.
All right, bro. This song's called Soothsayer.
Dude,
That was so good!
Aw, thank you so much.
Yo, you can play, man.
Well, I've been playing some meme songs for some people, so let me know if you guys know what this is.
Yo, I love you! Bro, that was so good, man.
You got a guitar?
Yes, sir. Let's hear you.
This is called Guile's theme. It's from Street Fighters. Something like that.
Something like that. What the fuck? I'm mind blown right now.
Hell yeah, I got you. Let's jam to that.
Oh my god. Oh, dude.
Something like that.
Okay, coming from another guitarist, dude, I have never heard anyone play that fucking good, dude.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Hey, man, you keep up that shit, because you're fucking killing it, man.
All right, you too, man. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you, man. You have a wonderful night, alright?
That's so fucking good.
Thank you.
How did you learn that?
I learn everything by ear. I just kind of listen to it.
Praise, you are literally probably the best guitar player I've ever heard.
Yes, I love Pokemon. I have so many Pokemon cards. I'm such a nerd.
Okay, nerd. Let me play you this song then.
Oh my god.
We appreciate you.
I love you.
I love you.
All the time. Oh, sweet. Oh, nice. So happy. Oh, shit.
That's amazing.
The Naruto opening.
I got you.
Thank you.
I'm glad you like that.
Go ahead, play something. Now you gotta play something.
You like Naruto?
Yeah, big fan. I've seen it from the beginning to end.
Okay.
Nice.